welcome back to Sanvi's World. Today we're going to be doing some moving fireworks. So let's go! Take 8 origami sheets. I took 4 green and 4 pink, measuring 10 by 10 centimeters each. You can choose the size and color of your choice. Take one of your origami sheets and fold them in half like this. Now unfold it and fold it in half the other way. Now flip your paper over. Fold your sheet diagonally like this. Make a nice crease. Unfold it and fold it diagonally the other way. Make a nice crease again. Now fold it on one of your diagonal creases like this. Then take both of the corners and just push it up like this. Then fold it. Now take this edge over here and then fold it to the middle point. Repeat the same to the other side. Now flip it over and repeat the exact same steps over here. This is how it should look. Now make another one of green color this time. Make sure to do alternative colors so it looks bright and attractive. Now take 6 more papers and repeat the exact same steps. Now it's time to attach. So first, you see these little flaps over here? Make 2 tiny holes into them, just like this. Now take your green module and just place the flaps of it into the little holes over here. Make sure it's nice and secure and then fold it. Press it down. Now let's attach another green to the pink. Again, make holes in the pink one. And then attach the green into it by sliding it into the holes. Fold it backwards and continue attaching the others the same way. Right, now stretch it out, and now it's time to attach the first one to the last one over here, just like this. So in the same manner, make holes in the first one, and then take your last module and just slip it in to the holes you made on your first module. Make sure it's nice and secure and fold it backwards. So it should look like this, nice and stretchy with a little hole over here in the middle. So now we can try to transform it just like this. So this is amazing for your little siblings to play with. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.